Well, welcome. Today, we are going to talk about box plot in data visualization. What is a box plot? A box plot is also known as box and whisker plot. It is a data visualization that show five data. It shows the minimum of the data, the median, the maximum of the data, the first quartile, and the third quartile. These are the five things that we can find in our box plot. So today I'm going to show you how to plot a box plot and what box plot actually help us to achieve in data visualization. So let's start. So we are going to click, then I'm going to title it as box plot data visualization. Okay, then the first thing is to load the library that we needed. Actually, we need two major library for this class. So the first is the C1 library. So we import the C1 library, import C1 as SNS. Then the second is the matplotlib, import matplotlib dot pyplot as plt. So after we have import our libraries, the next thing is to load the data. So I'm going to use a C1 dataset. So df equals to sns dot load dataset. So the dataset we are going to use is called tips. Then okay, then let's display the dataset to see what it looked like. So let's run this. There is an error here. Okay, the dataset has loaded. So here is the first five data in the dataset. So we have the total bill, the tip, the sex, smoker, day, time, and size. So let's show some information from this data. Print new line. Okay, so here's the info on about the data. There are 244 modes from 0 to 243. and we have a total column of 7. So as we have it here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, but there are actually 244 rows, out of which we display just 5 of them. So let's start the visualization. So let's get the figure, declare the figure size, so the figure is plt.figure. So fixed size equals, so let it be 10 by 6. Then we have 7.boxplots. So in this, the boxplot, there are some parameters we are going to pass: the x-axis, the y-axis, and the data. Those are the very necessary. There are many, but these 3 are very necessary. So let's say our data equals to df, comma, then our x, we are visualizing the total bill against the days. So our x should be days of the week, x should be days. Then our y, sorry, there is a mistake here, equal to, then we have a quotation, this is a day or days, okay, it's just day, okay. Then our y is total bill. Okay, after having this, then let's customize the plot with matplotlib. So blt.xlabel is days of the week, then plt.ylabel is total bill in dollar, okay. Then plt.title I call it bill, total bill against the, then plt, let have a grid line on the y-axis, plt.grid. So we have the axis equals to y, and the line style is a dash, then the alpha, to make it a bit lighter, so the alpha, let's give it 0.6. then the after, let's show the plot, plt.show, and let's run this. there is error somewhere. Now interpret value to tabby. There is error here for y. So it is dash. Okay, here we go. So here is the box plot for the data. So the median for the data for between 10 and 20. Here is the media line. So we can also customize this and add the color. Color equals to cyan. So here is how to visualize data using the box plot. The minimum is around 9. The first quartile is around 12 or 13. The median is around 17. The third quartile here is 20, while the highest data here is the third quartile is 20, while the highest data is 30. So thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next one.